A computer system does not work on its own as it does not have a brain. Thus, instructions to a computer are provided by us as a user to make it work. The instructions provided are known as input. The working on the instructions is known as a processing, and the result that we get is known as output. Thus, we can say that a computer works in three basic steps known as input, process, and output. Input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called the input. We enter data using a keyboard and a mouse. Process. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data to solve the problems and gives the result. Processing is an invisible process. Output. Output means the result. After the CPU finishes processing the data, the result is displayed on the output devices such as a monitor or a printer. Let us further understand the working of a computer with the example of washing clothes. Clothes represent the input. Washing of these clothes is processing, and the clean clothes represent output. A mouse is a handheld device. It has two buttons. It has a wire-like tail, which is attached to the CPU. A mouse comes with a mouse pad that keeps the mouse free of dust and helps in the smooth movement of the pointer. Mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. Mouse pointer. The slanted arrow on the screen is known as the mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, the pointer shown on the monitor screen moves simultaneously in the same direction. Some of the mouse pointers are shown below. Buzzy, normal, double-headed arrow, four-headed arrow working in the background. Types of mouse. A mouse can be of different types. Two buttons mouse. Earlier, this mouse with the buttons was used, but nowadays it has been replaced by a more advanced mouse. Scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and right buttons. We can move a page up or down by moving the scroll wheel. Ball mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it which helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Optical mouse. An optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. A laser mouse is also a type of optical mouse. Wireless mouse. A wireless mouse does not use a wire to be connected to the CPU. We can move this mouse freely. Functions of a mouse. Let us learn about the functions of a mouse in detail. Clicking. We use a mouse by pressing its buttons. It is known as clicking because this makes a click sound. Clicking is of the following types. Single click. When we press the left button of a mouse once and release it, it is called a single click. It is generally used to select an icon or an application. Let us try. Move the mouse until you have reached an icon or an application that you would like to select. Press and release the left mouse button with your index finger once. The object will be selected. Double click. When we press the left mouse button twice without stopping and releasing it, it is called double clicking. It is used to open an application, folder, or files present in the computer system. Let us try. Move the mouse until you have reached an icon or an application you would like to open. Double click the left mouse button. The program will open. Right click. Right click is the action of pressing and releasing the right mouse button to show a list of commands on the monitor. Let us try. Move the mouse pointer to the icon and right click on it. You will get a list of commands. Scrolling and moving. Scrolling is an action which helps us to move in either upward or downward direction. As we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves on the screen simultaneously. This is known as moving the mouse. Dragging and dropping. Drag and drop is an action to move an item by holding the left mouse button. Place the mouse pointer over an item on the screen. Press and hold down the left mouse button. While keeping the mouse button pressed, move the pointer to the location where you want to place the item. Release the mouse pointer and you will see that the item has been moved to the new place.